So it's been a while since I've uploaded a video. I hope you've all had a lovely Christmas and a very happy new year. Sorry, today I'm finally going to get round to trying the Autoglym products that I was sent kindly by Autoglym themselves. I was also sent some products from another local company, which is Part Stock. So big shout out to them. They do give me quite a lot of stuff and I really appreciate it. I'm going to try all the products on 2 of my cars. So as you guys know, if you are subscribed to the channel, I have a vinyl wrapped A1 and I have my S2000. So we're going to try it in both cars. We're going to see if the 2 cars have similar results or if it makes a difference being vinyl wrapped and painted. Alright guys, let's get into the video. So I tried to get some of those tasty before shots, but there wasn't much dirt on either of the cars. So you can see some watermarks, you can see a little bit of dirt on the S2000. So sticking with today's theme on Autoglym, we are going to use Polar Blast Snow Foam. Now, as you can see, after 5 minutes of dwell time, it's ran off the Audi a little bit more than the S2000. Now, some might say that because the Audi has been coated with the wax before, it is making the difference, but both these cars have been waxed the same. Now, as you can see, it hasn't lifted all the dirt off the S2000, but it has done a better job on the Audi and took away some of those watermarks. Now on to that ultra high definition shampoo. It did say on the box to apply 4 capfuls. I am just winging it as usual. And new wash mitts for each of the cars.
That's ISO. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Look at my posters, say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on, yeah. Look at my posters, say now.
Okay, so we're going to move on to the fallout stage. Now we've got magma and liquid clay here. I am going to try magma on this side of the S2000 and my camera died, so I went ahead and done the other side with liquid clay. Now I'm not going to try on the Audi as I'm not too sure how it would work on a wrap. This side was sprayed with magma. It has done a little bit of work. There hasn't been too much dirt on the car, so I can't expect much else. And this is the liquid clay side. I feel as if the liquid clay hasn't worked as well as the magma. You can be your own judge on which one has worked better. But I ain't trying to be dependent. I need money. So, brought the A1 in, got it dried. It was getting dark outside and starting to drizzle, so just brought it in to get it ready for its wax.
When we outside, we be stopping the traffic, breaking their necks, them they upset. How them boys doing more when they got less? How they on this and how they on that? How they got this and yeah, how they got that? Too busy watching us, they need to stop that. Talking my shit, you know we gon'.
So I have gone a little bit heavy-handed with the product, and the reason I did that was to see how easy it would be to take off, even with a little bit more applied.
Tell them that's tough, yeah, yeah. Heard them lasers talking now.
This is in real time, not sped up at all, and I was shocked at how easy it was to get off. You can see that I have over applied, but it is coming off super easy, and I don't know if it's down to the product or down to these cloths that Autoglym make. They are super good and super good quality.
Packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the game. We taking shots off the rebound. Look at my posters, say now.
Now moving on to my favourite part, the water behaviour test. So just got a kettle, filled it up, and as you can see it's running straight off the side that I have done with the Autoglym. Now as I said before, the car has been done with the boat wax that I absolutely love, but you can definitely see the difference that it's made even just using this. I really wasn't expecting it to be so good. Completely running off the side with the Autoglym ultra high definition wax, and the other side is sort of sticking. It is coming off. Like I say, this car has been well looked after and well protected, but you can definitely see the top up that's made just where I have used the product. So as I said, it was starting to rain outside and it was getting dark, so enjoy the very squashed up results video. I've used Polar Blast before and I really do like this product. It's a go-to snow foam that I would use. I haven't used it in a little while. I forgot how much I do like it. The only thing was you could see that it didn't lift some of the dirt off the S2000, but not to worry. I do quite like that as a snow foam. It is a bit more expensive in the snow foam department, but I do still like that product. Then I went on and used the ultra high definition shampoo, which was so nice to use, and the scent was so good. Now that was the first time I've used it. That was gifted to me by Autoglym. Yeah, it was a really good product. As you guys know, I love sooty, soapy and bubbly. That is the sort of shampoo I would tend to go for, and that ticked all the boxes. Very lubricated, and yeah, I did like that a lot. It's one of the better shampoos I've used in the past little while. Then I went ahead and used liquid clay on one side of the car and magma on the other side of the car. Now it does say on the bottles that you're supposed to do them both at different stages, but I would always tend to go for a fallout remover or an iron out particle remover after a wash stage. So I did that. I did what I would usually do. For me, magma is definitely better than liquid clay, but I do like magma a lot better, and from the results of the car, there's not that much iron out, there wasn't that much fallout on my car, but I did think the magma lifted a little bit more. So then I went ahead and used the ultra high definition wax. That is a game changer. I wasn't expecting that to be a good product, to be honest. I didn't expect it to be just as good. I have used the old version of it in the past, like years and years ago, and I did love it, but I wasn't expecting that from the new one. Really pleasantly surprised. You've seen the difference it made on the Audi. Now the last time the Audi had been waxed, it was with the boat wax that you guys know I love. My battery died as per usual on my camera. I've been using it all day and I've charged it about 10 times. I think I need to invest in a new battery. Yeah, I thought there wasn't much point in me going and charging the battery for all I need to say. But yeah, the wax was definitely good. You can see from the video yourself what difference the wax made to my bonnet on my wrap, and I am quite scared of using products on the wrap, so I'm very careful on what I use, and yeah, I definitely do like that product. I will be using that on the rest of the car. Yeah, I do like that quite a lot. As always guys, thank you so much for watching. My giveaway will be in my next video, which will be my car collection video, and then I've got a turtle wax one coming out. Turtle wax sent me a whole bunch of stuff, so yeah, keep your eyes peeled for the giveaway of my next video, where someone will win £100 worth of clothing from my brand. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.